Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm sitting in a 2021 Toyota Corolla and I'm going to show you how to Bluetooth connect your telephone to the entertainment screen. Now this will also include the connection for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So what we're going to do is just turn the ignition on like that. We no need to actually start the car, but just so that the information screen in the middle here actually livens up. We're going to go ahead and just clear that prompt there, and then this is our home screen. So if you haven't loaded on that, you can just hit home up the top here and it will bring you to this screen here. Now there's actually two ways to connect your phone. The first way, you can just hit phone and it will say that there's not a Bluetooth device connected, or we can hit menu over here, go down to setup, then we go Bluetooth. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to check that there's not too many devices already registered. So what we want to do is remove a device and then go through, and then if you see a device that you no longer need on there, you just remove that. I believe you can have up to 5 devices registered. So once you've removed some devices, if there's too many, we're just going to hit back, and then we're going to go add new device. At the same time that's doing that, open up your phone, come down to your Bluetooth settings and just open that up. Now this is an Android phone, so if you're on Apple you may want to just go into your Bluetooth settings and scroll down to the bottom where it says scanning for new devices. So the car's currently found my phone, but my phone hasn't found the car yet, so just wait until it appears at the bottom. There we go, it's now found car multimedia, and then the car has actually found my phone. So we're just going to go ahead and tap on that on your phone, and it starts pairing, and it's going to come up with some prompts on your phone. So first off, do we want to pair? And it's come up with the same number that's on the screen, so yes, pair. And then it's going to ask me if I want to allow the car to have my contact, so I'm going to say yes, allow. And then I'm going to say allow again for messages. So that's now all done. So I can now make phone calls through the car. So I've got my history there, favourites. You can use a keypad or go for my contacts. It's just loading my contacts right now. So that's allowed me to now make phone calls. But what that doesn't allow me to do is actually access my apps through like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. It says I need to be connected. Now you actually need to connect it via a cable. So I've got the cable here, and the USB port is actually found just here. So we're just going to plug that straight into my phone. And then we can go ahead and actually just tuck our phone out the way. We don't need that anymore. When you hit OK there, it says Android Auto connected. Hit OK, and now we can go back to our menu button. You go Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, and then it's just loading our maps there. I can go to my music player, I can hit Google and then ask wherever I want to go, or I can just say it, and then I can also search any location. So if I want to go to there, set that as my new location, 6 minutes away, and it's already put into the sat nav. So there we go, that's how easy it is to connect a phone to a 2021 Toyota Corolla. If you found that video helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos, and subscribe to my channel.